I wear my apron. I wear my apron. I roll up my sleeves. I roll up my sleeves. I open the clay bag. I open the clay bag. I take a lump of clay. I take a lump of clay. I weigh the clay. I weigh the clay. I wet my hands. I wet my hands. I fill the water bowl. I fill the water bowl. I squeeze the clay. I squeeze the clay. I knead the clay. I knead the clay. I press the clay down. I press the clay down. I fold the clay over. I fold the clay over. I pat the clay into a ball. I pat the clay into a ball. I place the clay on the wheel. I place the clay on the wheel. I spin the wheel. I spin the wheel. I center the clay. I center the clay. I push the clay up. I push the clay up. I open the top. I open the top. I shape the pot. I shape the pot. I pull up the walls. I pull up the walls. I widen the bowl. I widen the bowl. I mold the rim. I mold the rim. I thin the walls. I thin the walls. I measure the height. I measure the height. I stop the wheel. I stop the wheel. I cut the base free. I cut the base free. I lift the pot off. I lift the pot off. I carve some lines. I carve some lines. I draw a pattern. I draw a pattern. I press a leaf shape. I press a leaf shape. I poke tiny holes. I poke tiny holes. I add a handle. I add a handle. I attach a small foot. I attach a small foot. I smooth the surface. I smooth the surface. I wipe off the extra clay. I wipe off the extra clay. I dab the pot with a sponge. I dab the pot with a sponge. I scrape the edge. I scrape the edge. I clean the base. I clean the base. I set the pot on the shelf. I set the pot on the shelf. I let the pot dry. I let the pot dry. I wait a few hours. I wait a few hours. I check the pot. I check the pot. I sand the dry pot. I sand the dry pot. I mix the paint. I mix the paint. I paint the pot. I paint the pot. I dip the pot in glaze. I dip the pot in glaze. I brush on the glaze. I brush on the glaze. I decorate with dots. I decorate with dots. I load the kiln. I load the kiln. I fire the pot. I fire the pot. I admire my pot. I admire my pot. Wear. Roll. Open. Take. Weigh. Wet. Fill. Squeeze. Knead. Press. Fold. Pat. Place. Spin. Center. Push. Open the top. Shape. Pull. Widen. Mold. Thin. Measure. Stop. Cut. Lift. Carve. Draw. Stamp. Poke. Add. Attach. Smooth. Wipe. Dab. Scrape. Clean. Set. Dry. Wait. Check. Sand. Mix. Paint. Dip. Brush. Decorate. Load. Fire. admire.